we are learning SST's second number lesson, our natural and cultural heritage. From that, in the last video we had learned festivals point. Now we are going to learn about other cultural practices. In this point there are mainly 3 sub points are included. Those are dresses, cuisine and handicraft and embroidery. These sub points we are going to learn from this main point. So dresses, it is also cultural heritage because of our ancestors wear that type of dresses, we are just following again. Then cuisines means recipes, whatever our ancestors were making food and eating, that is only we are used to eat. Then handicraft, embroidery, those are doing the same, we are following now also the olden designs. So now let us learn about other cultural practices. Some other cultural practices of our country are described below. So these 3 points are described below. Let us look. First, dresses. Traditional Indian clothes are a part of our rich cultural heritage. So traditional dresses, it is a part of our rich cultural heritage. Every states, the people wear different type of clothes, and that is showing the culture of this particular states people. Men and women both wear different type of dresses in India and particular state also. Then these vary from state to state, and that people wear state to state different type of clothes. Sari and salwar kameez are popular dresses among women. Women wear sari, salwar kameez. It is most popular in India. Indian women likes to wear sari and salwar kameez a lot. In state like Gujarat, Rajasthan and Haryana, women wear ghagra choli. In towns and cities, both men and women wear shirt and trousers. This is a Western culture which we are also follow in city. The men and women both are used to wear shirt and trousers. Then traditionally men wear dhoti kurta, kurta pajama. So mainly traditionally men wear dhoti kurta from our ancestors, then kurta pajama also. And men in south wear lungi. Those who are living in South India, those are used to wear lungi. In some part of the country, men also wear turban on their head. So people wear turban, wrapping a cloth on the head, that is called turban. In Marathi we are saying feta. So people are using different type of caps also as per cultural heritage. So next point is of cuisine, means recipes. In India, every state, the famous food is different, and that cuisine, that recipe is different than each state. Then different food preparation styles like Punjabi. One of the kind of food is of Punjab, Mughlai, Kashmiri, South Indian, etc. That type of foods were prepared in our India are available in India. Rajma chawal, chole bhature and shahi paneer are popular in North India. So in the North India there are rajma chawal, chole bhature and shahi paneer are popular in north side of our India. Then fish curry and rice are eaten in eastern state and dal bati churma is enjoyed by people in Rajasthan. So fish curry and rice is eaten in eastern state and dal bati is enjoyed by the people in Rajasthan. So themselves traditional food it is which those are eating. Then next Gujarat is known for dhokla. The Gujarati people likes to eat dhokla, that is of themselves traditional food. Thepla and khandvi and sambar, idli and dosa are popular in some state in South India. So in South Indian dish it is of sambar, idli, dosa, that is of South Indian dishes. It is a famous food of various different states. So now next point we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.